Hi everyone, my name is Sarah and I'm the marketing manager here at Swit, the all-in-one suite for team collaboration and communication. My team and I are so glad to have you aboard, and we want to make sure that everything is going smoothly as you get to know Swit. That's why we've decided to make the Piece of Cake video series. It's a quick, straightforward way to learn what powerful things you can do with Swit. To show you how it's done, I'll be demonstrating using the real workspace we use for marketing at Swit. In this video, I'm going to start by going over what makes Swit unique, and then I'll show you how to create an account. Then we'll look over some of our most essential functions and features in the workspace. Let's get started. Swit seamlessly combines the ease of chatting with the profound agility of project management to give an intuitive, unified way to work in teams. Send a message, brainstorm, map out projects, assign tasks, and stay up to date with your team's progress, all without ever leaving our lightning-fast service. Because we're a SaaS, creating an account is really simple. Just go to our website, swit.io, and click Try It Free to create a free account. After putting in your information, you'll be able to create your very first workspace. You can choose to use a free tier, which will be free forever, or choose from one of our upgrade options depending on what features and storage you need. With our free tier, you will get access to our Kanban-based task management as well as our chat. Our standard tier includes project calendar, timeline, Gantt chart, and more. The price of our standard tier is just around the same price as other single function services. With Swit, you can double your team's productivity and split your managing costs in half. We also will be offering a premium tier starting in spring 2019. Premium will combine all of our standard features with the added ability to manage multiple workspaces by way of a super admin account. So, back to creating a new workspace. Once you've set up an account, you will be directly guided to the Swit home. To create a workspace, click Build a New Workspace. Name your team in your URL, then click Build. One of the best things about Swit is that you can create as many workspaces as you want with one single account. It's pretty amazing, and I don't know about any other collaboration service that lets you do this. This is great for large organizations with many departments, fast-growing global startups, and teams that have to manage multiple clients for their external communications. You will also be able to organize and rearrange the order of your workspaces as you please by using drag and drop. This is our exclusive feature that many enterprises have long been waiting for. This is the workspace we use for marketing, and right now we are in the launch channel. On the left side of the workspace, you can see the shelf, which is where the channel box and project box are. The channel box is where chatting happens, and the project box is where we manage all the tasks we have to get done. We'll talk in more detail about channels and projects in a later video. In the premium tier, you will be able to integrate your email box into the shelf. We're really excited about this since it will allow you to transform your email into trackable tasks and share your task cards straight into your email simply by dragging and dropping. If you want to see how it will work, check out our tutorial video at the top of our website. With the launch of Swit Store in fall 2019, you'll be able to add user-generated integrations of other business apps, such as marketing automation tools directly into Swit. These will be added in the format of bots or plugins. At the top right of your workspace, you will find the app bar. The app bar opens up more information from all channels and projects in the right panel when you click an icon. For example, if you click this bell icon, it will open up activity in the right panel. This shows you all the recent updates made by other members in your workspace. You can click any one of these updates to go to their location in the workspace. For example, if I wanted to find out more about the progress of the flexible work environment blog post task, I would just click this update that my coworker Adam commented in the task. That would open up the details of that task, and now I can see that Adam answered my question from earlier. Nice! Going back to the app bar, this @ symbol represents your mentions. A mention is whenever someone tags you in a message or task because they need your attention. Clicking the @ icon will open your recent mentions in the right panel, as you can see here. This is especially great when someone needs to ask you a question, like right here where Rob mentioned me to ask which version of the blog headline I like better. Definitely version 1, Rob. This star icon represents your starred items. This is any item in your workspace, like a message, task card, idea, or file, that you've starred in order to save it for your own future reference. You can star an item by hovering over a message, for example, and clicking the star that shows up on the right. I'm going to star this message from Andrew so that I can reference it later when I'm working. Then, when you click on your starred items, the right panel will open and you'll be able to see and access all of your starred items. Here's that message I just starred. Now, let's say if I want to access a document file that one of my coworkers posted a while back, but I don't remember who posted it. All I have to do is click on Files in the app bar, and all the files we've ever posted in the workspace will open in the right panel. I can use any of these 3 filters up here to narrow down the list and find what I'm looking for faster. There's a file type filter, a box filter, meaning what channel or project the file was posted in, and a members filter, which refers to who posted it. I know I'm looking for a document, so I'm going to go ahead and select document from the list of file types. Now all I see are document files, and here we go. This is exactly what I'm looking for, invitation email Swit, posted by Richard. Then I can hover over the file and click download button on the right to get it on my desktop. Super easy. Alright, now what if I want to find the contact info of a member in my workspace? I can click on this guy, and that opens up the members list in the right panel. Then I can click on any member or even search for a member right here. If I need to, this is also a place where I can invite more members using their email address. For now, I'm going to click on Allie, and out pops her profile information. There's her profile picture, her email, and it looks like she's on the product management team. So we just saw Allie's profile, but what if I wanted to change mine? All the way in the top right corner of the workspace is my profile. I can click on my profile picture to manage my personal settings for the current workspace. For example, if I click on my name, I can edit what others can see when my profile comes up. If I click on notifications, I can manage the types of notifications I receive and when I receive them. That way, I'm not stuck with a million notifications for every little thing. I'm only notified about things that matter to me. One sweet thing is life balance mode. You can snooze all notifications while this mode is activated. Our team uses this when we are done for the day and even during the weekends. No one can override this feature, which means that you can honestly enjoy your weekend and come back to work completely refreshed. Remember though, that all of these settings apply just to the current workspace I'm in. To change my settings more broadly across all of my Swit workspaces, I use account settings, which can also be accessed from the profile menu. We highly recommend setting up your account settings right away because that will serve as your default profile settings for every workspace you create or join subsequently. You can always customize your profile settings for each workspace. Here, I can change my display name, password, primary email address, and time zone. Also, I can sign out from one or all of my current sessions of Swit. I hope this first video tutorial has been helpful to you in getting to know your workspace. If you want to keep learning, check out the rest of our Piece of Cake video series or check out our website at swit.io. Thanks for watching!